Hey everybody. A few weeks ago I found Transformers Prime Dreadwing at my local Toys R Us. Now I've been wanting him for a while, but I've never found him at any of my stores. And I finally found him like a few months, after its release or whatnot. I don't know how long it's been, but I'm glad I have him, and I thought I'd kind of open it and kind of review it as I go along. So without further ado. Must say, I think I like the instruction sheets for the Beast Hunters ones a lot more because they have a lot more to them. You're starting to come undone. Okay. Take that up later. I can't get this one. Oh, that's simple. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Stupid mech tech weapon. I really use that. I would customize it, but it would take too long. I hate these twisty ties. I miss the old twisty ties. When they were all like plastic kinds. I thought they were a little bit better. I don't know. I like twisting them, Now these are just like annoying, aggravating. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Really? Plastic bits? Really? There we go. Set that off to the side. Okay, here is Dreadwing. Glad I have him, really. Fiddling around with him a little bit. I don't know if he's mistransformed or not. I might have to fool around later, but yeah, pretty good figure actually. Of course, I wish he had a different color scheme, and I wish he was a lot more beefier. But I think they really improved with the Beast Hunters line more so than the RID line. I think they improved there. And another thing that's really annoying, and I'm sure I'm not the only one, these little plastic bits, also on his head too. Yeah, hopefully that doesn't break. And yeah, that's a little bit annoying. And I hate how they don't like. Oh, the head kind of sits a little funny. Yeah, see, there's like a gaping hole in there. Yeah, that's a little annoying, but you know, I'm glad I have him. Really, you know, to kind of fill in my collection. You know, he was a good character. I felt he got killed off way too soon. I think he really could have did something for the show, and they abruptly killed him off. So, annoying. Annoying. So, gonna fiddle around here. Get him in a wicked looking pose. I think I'm just gonna have him hold it. You kidding me? He can't really hold a sword too well. Let me see if he holds it in the other hand a little better. Okay, yeah, he holds a lot better in that one. So, yeah. Oh, didn't know these were a little posable there. So, yeah, really good figure. I would transform him, but it's gonna take way too long, and I think you guys have watched this long enough. So, but yeah, yeah, if you guys can find him, I would recommend him. But no, he's not one you have to spend an arm and a leg to get. I've seen the eBay prices; they're really expensive. Like, I think I saw one that was like $54, $56. Don't pay that. Don't. It's dumb. It really is, and those people are just ready to rip you off. And yeah, if you can find them for like $20, I would say, yeah, go for it if you really want them. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, blah 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 blah, and yeah, thanks.